Hello everyone, welcome back, and today we're going to do a video on propagation. Here is a mint plant that I bought in Tucson today. It actually was really bushy. I did a lot of cutting already because a couple reasons. Number one, I want it to get bigger, and if you just take little cuttings here off the tops of these things already grow really fast. So once you do this cutting, they're going to grow even bushier. So that was the idea there. And then also, as you can see here, I have a bunch of cuttings off of this plant that are in cups, and this is propagation. What's going to happen, hopefully, is, as you can see in here, the root of the plant, or soon to be root of the plant, is going to soak in a hydroponic solution, very light hydroponic solution, like quarter strength. And it's just going to sit in a windowsill, and hopefully within, I would say, 10 days to 12 days, there should be some roots forming on the bottom of this. When that happens, then we'll be able to transfer this plant into its own pot, and then you have another plant. That's the beauty and simplicity of propagation. Now, a couple of the tips that I've read with doing this are, the first thing you want to do is when you cut on these plants, you want to cut about 4 inches down, and you want to cut just below one of the nodes. And that's a node, is where the leaves come out here. Right there's a node, and you want to cut right under that. That was just, I read that on multiple sites, so that's what I did. Next, what you want to make sure that you do here is you want to make sure the plants are going to get proper light, and you also want to make sure that the root, or I keep calling it the root, but the end of the plant cutting here is soaking in this solution. And finally, you want to make sure they get lots of sunlight. We'll come back after we're done here in the next 10 days or so, and we'll update you on the second part of the video to see if this actually worked or not. Another thing that I'm going to show you real quick are the solutions that I'm using. As you can see, this is General Hydroponics. It's a two-part, actually this comes in 3 different parts, but there's a 3-part nutrient system when you're doing hydroponic plant feeding. This first one here is like the main one for all the micronutrients. This is a really good solution for basic vegetation growth, as is this. This is just, this here just has slightly more potash in it, helps with plant growth as well. So all these things are easily findable at your local hydroponic store or online. They're very inexpensive. I think this one was like 12 or 13 bucks, and I think this was like 9 bucks. And this stuff here, if you're doing it on a small scale, will last you a long, long time. That's it, and hopefully you'll tune in and come back and see our progress on these plants. Thank you.